Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. So today I'm going to show you how to make this soft, moist, sweet muffins the simplest way with the simplest ingredients, very affordable. So stay tuned, watch till the end. Let's start. First off, with the ingredients, I'm going to use this Mama's Choice margarine, then vanilla essence, wheat flour, salt, a glass of warm milk, 2 eggs. And those are the muffin tins or cupcake tins. So first things first, take your margarine, 2 tablespoons of margarine, and add it into your bowl, the bowl that you're going to mix everything. Step 2, add your eggs into the mixture, mix them up until you get something like this. Step 3, add your baking powder, like 1 tablespoon if you don't have these measuring cups, and then add your sugar, 2 scoops of that, or 4 tablespoons, and then you mix everything up. Then add your vanilla essence, not too much, just a little, like a half tablespoon, yeah. And then you mix everything up again. There's a lot of mixing. And then you add your wheat flour. I used this measuring cup. I added 2 of them. And then you mix everything up as you add your warm milk until you reach or you get a smooth mixture or solution. That's when it is ready. Yeah, something like that. And then you start putting them into your you start adding some of that into the cupcake tins. And one thing I've learned, don't add too much, just a half, and the rest will fill up while baking. I did that mistake. I added so much and it ended up baking and just spreading all over my air fryer. By the way, I'm using an air fryer to bake it. This is my first time trying it, and yeah. Once you're done, put them into your air fryer, arrange them well, and then you turn it on. The settings will be at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. This is what I was talking about. I added too much dough on the muffin tins and they ended up overspreading, but they turned out so good. They came out so good. I was so happy, and they were so sweet, very soft. Oh, look at that, very crunchy on the top and then moist and flat on the inside. This being my first time trying this, I was happy. They came out so good. Very so the shape, the problem was just the shape, but it was so good. Let me know if you will try this recipe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this video. Share, and comment down below something nice, or let me know in the comment section, will you try this? And I served mine with milk. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, till next time.